Honor Magic7 Pro. Overview specs. Colors. Honor Magic7 Pro Lunar Shadow Gray. Honor Magic7 Pro Breeze Blue. Honor Magic7 Pro Black. Dimensions and weight. Height, 162.7 mm. Width, 77.1 mm. Depth, 8.8 mm. Weight, approximately 223 grams including the battery. The actual dimensions weight may vary depending on the configuration, manufacturing process, and measurement method. Display. Size, 6.8 inches. With a rounded corners design on the display, the diagonal length of the screen is 6.8 inches when measured according to the standard rectangle. The actual viewable area is slightly smaller. Color, 1.07 billion colors. Type, OLED. Resolution, FHD plus 1280x2800. With a rounded corners design on the display, the resolution of the screen is 1280x2800 pixels when measured according to the standard rectangle. The actual viewable area is slightly smaller. Gestures. Supported. Brightness. HDR Peak Brightness, 5000 nits. Global Peak Brightness, 1600 nits. Screen glass material. Honor NanoCrystal Shield. Processor. CPU model. Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. CPU type. Octa-core. CPU dominant frequency. 2 times prime 4.32 GHz plus 6 times performance 3.53 GHz. GPU. Adreno 830. System. Operating system. MagicOS 9.0 based on Android 15. Memory. 12 GB plus 512 GB. 16 GB plus 1 TB. Rear camera. Triple rear camera. 50 megapixels wide main camera f1.4 f2.0 OIS. 50 megapixels ultra wide camera f2.0. 200 megapixels telephoto camera f2.6, 3x optical zoom, 100x digital zoom OIS. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. The highest pixel requires entering the high-res mode for experience. Please refer to the actual experience. Video shooting. Support for 4K 60 fps 3840 x 2160 video recording. Focus mode, 3x optical zoom, 100x digital zoom. Image resolution, 16384 by 12288 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Video resolution, 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual video resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Rear flashlight, rear single LED flash. Capture mode, HD Super Burst, AI Enhanced Portrait, AI Super Zoom, Stage Mode, Motion Sensing Capture, Smart Focus, Movie, Multi-Video, AI Photography, High-Res, Time-Lapse, Super Wide Angle, Aperture, Night, Super Macro, Portrait, Pro, Slow-Mo, Panorama, Filter, Watermark, Capture Smiles, Video, Timer, Scan Document, Story, Light Painting, HDR. OTA update to support AI Enhanced Portrait and AI Super Zoom. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Stabilization mode, ICE plus OIS. Front camera, 50 megapixels front camera f2.0 plus 3D depth camera. Asterisk in different photo modes, the number of pixels may be slightly different. Please refer to the actual situation. Image resolution, 8192 by 6144 pixels. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Video resolution, 3840 x 2160 pixels. The actual video resolution may vary depending on the shooting mode. Video shooting. Support for 4K 3840 x 2160 video recording. The actual image resolution may vary depending on the video recording mode. Capture mode, portrait, filter, capture smiles, mirror reflection, timer, gesture control, watermark, night. Face recognition, 3D face unlock. Battery capacity, 5850 mAh typical value, 5750 mAh rated value. This capacity is the nominal battery capacity. The actual battery capacity for each individual phone may be slightly above or below the nominal battery capacity. Type, lithium polymer battery, 3rd generation silicon carbon battery. Wired charging, 100W Honor Supercharge. The phone supports up to 20 volts 5A Supercharge, compatible with 11 volts 6A, 10V 4A, 10 volts 2.25A, 10 volts 2A. The actual charging power will change intelligently with different scenarios, please refer to the actual situation. Wireless charging, 80W wireless Honor Supercharge. The wireless charger is a separate purchase. The actual charging power will change intelligently with different scenarios, please refer to the actual situation. Cellular network, network standard, 5G NR, 4G LTE TDD LTE FDD, 3G WCDMA, 2G GSM. Note: 1. In dual SIM version, either card slot can be set to accommodate the primary or secondary SIM card. 2. Functions available on the live network depend on the situations of carrier's network and related services deployment. SIM card, SIM1 plus SIM2, SIM1 plus eSIM, eSIM1 plus eSIM2. eSIM requires a wireless service plan and allows you to activate a mobile network plan without the use of a nano SIM. eSIM availability may vary depending on country and carrier. Please check the support list for details. Connectivity and location, Wi-Fi protocols, 802.118B per gram NAC AX-B, 2x2 MIMO. Wi-Fi 7 function needs to be used with the corresponding Wi-Fi 7 router. Wi-Fi frequency, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz. Wi-Fi hotspot, supported. Wi-Fi direct, supported. Bluetooth, BT 5.4, BLE, SBC, AAC, LDAC, aptX, aptX HD. Infrared remote control, supported. PC data sync, supported. Computer need install Honor Suite. Video call, supported. Operator and third-party software. The availability of this function depends on the network operators in different countries or regions. Contact your network operator for details. OTG, supported. Maximum output current 1A, 5V during reverse power supply. Positioning, support. GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo. Network-based positioning, supported. Wi-Fi-based positioning, supported. Sensors, gravity sensor, supported. Infrared sensor, supported. Fingerprint sensor, supported. Acceleration sensor, supported. Gyroscope, supported. Compass, supported. NFC, supported. 1. Only card emulation mode and writer mode are supported. Peer-to-peer mode is no longer supported. 2. The NFC sensing area is in the upper middle position of the back of the mobile phone. Ambient light sensor, supported. Proximity sensor, supported. Others, video, 3GP MP4. Audio, MP3 MP4 thirds GP OGG AMR AAC FLAC wave. Sound effect, DTS, X Ultra sound effects. Stereo, Honor surround subwoofer, water and dust resistance. Supported IP68 and IP69. The phone is not professionally water resistant. It is splash proof, water resistant and dust proof under normal use. It has been tested under controlled laboratory conditions and reaches the IP68 and IP69 level in accordance with GBT 4208-2017 China IEC 60529 international standards. Splash, water, and dust resistances are not permanently effective, and the protective performance may decrease due to daily wear and tear. USB, Type-C, USB 3.2 GEN1. Earjack, USB Type-C. In the box. 1. Phone built-in battery X1. 2. Honor Supercharge X1. 3. Type-C cable X1. 4. TPU protective cover X1. 5. Quick start guide X1. 6. Eject tool X1. 7. Warranty card X1. 8. TP protective film attached on the phone before delivery X1. Dependent on market. Phone Honor Magic 7 Pro specs.